keyword guided meditation. We're going to try something called a keyword guided meditation. In this meditation, I'm going to offer you keywords that you can focus on as you breathe in and out. This meditation is a really nice way to take a moment to pause in our busy day, take care of any worries or thoughts that are swirling around in our mind, and just try and see what it feels like to stop for a few minutes. Sometimes when we stop like this, we may notice that we're actually feeling a little anxious or upset, and that's totally fine. During this practice, if you ever feel like you need to open your eyes or pause for a moment, that is not a problem. The whole point is to try taking a few minutes to just be kind to ourselves, to slow down amongst all the busyness. So I really invite you to offer this time to yourself as a nice gift. Before we begin, take a moment to find a place where you can sit or lie down or even stand, whatever feels right to your body today, but a place where you won't have to move around too much for about 5 minutes. Once you find this position, take a moment to wiggle around a little more just to make sure that you feel stable but also at ease. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes. This will help you to focus. But if it feels better to keep them open, simply pick a point to keep your gaze on. To begin, we're going to start by focusing all of our attention on the sensation of breathing in and the sensation of breathing out. Notice what it feels like to breathe in. Where do you feel the air? Maybe in your nose? Maybe in your throat? Just take a moment to notice, where does the air flow as you breathe in, and where does the air flow as you breathe out? As you breathe in, you can focus on the key word in. As you breathe out, you can focus on the key word out. Breathing in, thinking the word in. Breathing out, thinking the word out. In, out. Breathing in, take a moment to notice the calm elements that exist in the space you are in. Breathing out, invite your whole body to feel whatever ease it can in this moment. Not fixing or forcing it to change, just inviting any parts of your body to feel at ease. Breathing in, focus on the key word calm. Breathing out, focus on the key word ease. Breathing in, calm. Breathing out, ease. Calm, ease. Breathing in, take a moment to smile to your whole body. You might even like to allow the smile to appear gently on your face, noticing how the muscles feel, how it feels to let just a gentle half smile appear on your face. Breathing out, invite any parts of your body that can to gently release tension. Not trying to fix or force anything to change, just allowing anything that can to release. Breathing in, focus on the key word smile. Breathing out, focus on the key word release. Breathing in, smile. Breathing out, release. Smile, release. Breathing in, invite your mind to arrive in the present moment. This means noticing any thoughts that are trying to pull you away and seeing if you can focus all of your attention just on your breath and this moment right now. Breathing out, see if you can touch some things that make this a wonderful moment. A moment where you have nowhere to go and nothing to do. Breathing in, focus on the keywords present moment. Breathing out, focus on the words wonderful moment. Breathing in, present moment. Breathing out, wonderful moment. Present moment, wonderful moment. On your next out-breath, you can gently open your eyes, return to the space that you're in. Take a moment now to observe what happened in your mind over the last few minutes. It doesn't matter if you feel like you got it wrong or right, just noticing. Are you feeling very busy today? Are you feeling settled? And whatever you notice, offer it acceptance and kindness. Mindfulness is just about noticing what's going on in our mind. So congratulations on anything that you just noticed.